Hello, my friends. So tonight's the big night for us. I have informed the dealership that as you're working on the site for the next few hours, that the site may go down as you'll be working on coding and uploading new files and all those fun things to get the inventory working properly for us. Again, please, the only concern that I have is that once you complete your task and once you've done all that you need to do, if for any reason, once you're completely finished with what you need to do, it does not work properly, please put back as it is now so that in the morning or when you finish for the night rather, so by the time you finish for the night, that there is an operational site. Again, that's the only concern. Again, once you've done all that you need to do and all that you can do, and before you clock out for the day, to please have an operational site so that they can do business in the morning. So again, the issues or concerns, as you know, obviously is the inventory and updating the inventory. So you know that. I don't need to go through that. The only other thing, the search function, obviously the search function does work for like vehicle if you put that in there. It's still, however, not working for stock number. Also, I see, I guess, the vehicles that we loaded in there aren't showing up. But again, you're going to fix that, so I don't need to worry about that. That's from today, so I guess it's trying to feed that information in there. But again, that's what you'll be fixing. So as an example, if I click on this, that's from the 7th, so it already loaded. And if I take a stock number, I'm just going to copy and paste. And if I go to the search, and if I simply paste in the stock number, let me make sure I didn't leave any spaces, no spaces there. And if I search, it's getting no result. So I'm sure that's part of the process. So again, 3 things we're looking at. We're looking at the inventory feed, getting that to automatically populate on the site every day as they upload the file. Number 2, the search button. And then number 3, the third item that we're looking at is the permalink, so that right here, instead of saying listing, we would like that to say the word used. So this should say the word used. So that would be the third item. So those 3 items, inventory feed, the permalink for each vehicle, and the search. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate all that you do.